At night, a person scrolls through their phone, tired and stressed. The screen glows in a dark bedroom, a common scene for many. Notifications from shopping apps can trigger a response, day or night. A closer look at these notifications reveals strategic design elements. Dopamine release is linked to pleasure, and shopping can stimulate this. The brain rewards itself with feel-good chemicals for certain actions. Checkout design plays a role in encouraging impulse buying decisions. Free shipping thresholds are often used to motivate additional purchases. Emotional triggers, like limited-time offers, can drive buying behavior. A cluttered, tired workspace can be a catalyst for late-night shopping sprees. The contrast between a focused work desk and a cluttered one is striking. In this context, understanding dopamine's role can help explain shopping habits. At night, the glow of a smartphone can be irresistible, triggering impulse buys. Late-night notifications create a sense of urgency, driving users to act quickly. Apps are designed to keep users engaged, often using dopamine-driven tactics. The contrast between a tidy workspace and a cluttered one reveals a deeper issue. Dopamine release is closely tied to the anticipation of rewards, like free shipping. Checkout design plays a significant role in facilitating impulse purchases, it seems. Emotional triggers, such as limited-time offers, can override rational decision-making. The strategic placement of add to cart buttons can influence user behavior significantly. Free shipping thresholds are often set to encourage users to spend more, not less. The psychology behind impulse buying is complex, involving multiple factors and triggers. Analysis suggests that apps exploit human psychology to drive sales and engagement. The constant stream of notifications can activate the brain's reward system, leading to addiction. Dopamine release is triggered by anticipation of free shipping thresholds online. Retailers design checkout processes to keep customers engaged in clicking. Free shipping offers create a sense of urgency, driving impulse purchases forward. Analysis suggests that apps use emotional triggers to activate the brain's reward system. Late-night shopping sessions often occur in a state of relaxation, lowering inhibitions. The constant stream of notifications can lead to a state of continuous dopamine release. Checkout design plays a crucial role in exploiting human psychology for sales. Retailers use tactics like limited-time offers to create a sense of scarcity and urgency. The combination of free shipping and limited-time offers can be particularly persuasive. Emotional triggers, such as stress and boredom, can also contribute to impulse buying. The brain's reward system is highly responsive to novelty and instant gratification online. By understanding these psychological mechanisms, we can better navigate online shopping temptations. Dopamine release is triggered by online shopping's instant gratification. Checkout design exploits emotional triggers to drive impulse buying. Free shipping thresholds create a sense of urgency and reward. Retailers use limited-time offers to activate the brain's reward system. Color schemes and typography influence emotional responses to products. Personalized recommendations tap into consumers' psychological needs. Notification icons and alerts activate the brain's novelty response. Online stores use scarcity tactics to create a sense of FOMO. Emotional triggers in checkout design can lead to regretful purchases. Understanding these tactics helps consumers make informed decisions. By recognizing emotional manipulation, shoppers can resist impulse buys. Being aware of these strategies can lead to more mindful consumption habits. As the night wears on, your bedroom transforms into a shopping zone. Your phone becomes a portal to endless product options and enticing deals. Weary from the day, your brain craves instant gratification and relaxation. Dopamine release is triggered by the promise of free shipping and discounts. Checkout design cleverly exploits your psychological vulnerabilities and biases. Notifications from shopping apps exploit your fear of missing out in scarcity. Your home office, once a space for focus, now competes with shopping distractions. The city outside your window may be asleep, but online shopping never rests. Emotional triggers, like stress and boredom, are expertly manipulated by marketers. Your notebook, once filled with goals and to-do lists, now collects shopping ideas. The timer on your phone reminds you of limited-time offers and flash sales. By acknowledging these environmental and psychological factors, you can regain control. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.